In this video, how to factory reset Lenovo BIOS to default settings. First, restart or turn on your laptop. Press the relevant key repeatedly to enter the BIOS. Here is a list of common Lenovo BIOS keys by model. In my case, I need to press Enter to access the Startup Interrupt menu. Then press the F1 key to access the BIOS Setup utility. Go to the Security category. Select the Reset System to Factory Defaults option. Click Yes to confirm, then restart your computer. Alternatively, if you cannot access the BIOS by pressing the relevant key, you can access it from inside Windows as well. To do this, hold the Shift key while restarting your computer. Release the Shift key, then select the Troubleshoot option. Select Advanced Options. Select UEFI Firmware Settings. Click on the Restart button. Your laptop will then boot into the BIOS Setup menu automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.